All right, so anyway, I purchased this HT5009 wireless headphone transmitter set for the TV. And so we're going to unbox it. So it's pretty simple. I'll pull her off of there. And then one of these sides opens. I think it's this side here. First of all, let me just show you this. So if you have problems, they have a nice support. And it's got the phone number on there that you can call Canada or United States. So let's pop it open. It does come with this card that kind of explains their products. So you might want to hang on to that. I'm not sure what this is. Need replacements, I guess, whatever, and instructions. And it's got a warranty card, and it tells you what's in the box. And basically, we've got the headphones, the transmitter, optical cable, audio cable, 3.5 RCA audio cables, and micro USB power cables. So that's pretty much it right there. And so we'll set that over there. Let's take a look at the headphones themselves. They look okay. Yet on and off, press and hold for 3 to 5 seconds until you hear welcome to Avantree or goodbye. You've got a plus and a minus. So this is how you turn the volume up, turn the volume down, and to turn it on. You do it all right here. And then this comes right off of there, but we'll leave that on for now. And so those are the headphones. Set those over here. And this, I believe, is the transmitter here. And it's got Bluetooth, voice on and off. It's got a plus and a minus. That must be volume. And then on the back, you've got your auxiliary. You've got your USB port. You got your 2 optical ports, and you've got an input from the TV. It comes in here, I believe. So bypass the output to speakers. Interesting. So, and then there's TV and AVR. So we're going to have to figure this all out. Let's take a look at what else we got. All right, so the cords are underneath. There's your optical. I don't know, is it? We'll have to take a look at that. I do believe this is probably the optical. Let's go ahead and open it up. Yeah. So these are the optical. You can see they have that little bend on the bottom. And they have this little thing on top. So this is what we're going to use. And then it should have power cord in here. I don't see it. I don't see it. Here's your RCA. And here's the other. This goes to like a headphone jack. And then we've got 2 USB cords. So this is going to take us a while to figure out. I mean, this should have a power source. And and it says DC plug-in, but this is all you get. So I guess I need a block to plug this into, which doesn't make a lot of sense. You would think it would come with a transformer, but it doesn't. So that is a little discouraging. This may be going bad. All right, so we're going to give it a try and see how it works. So this also has a USB port here, and you have to charge the headphones with this USB. That's why you get 2 of these. One's for this to charge, no block, and the other is for the receiver to charge, but no block. It's pretty cheap of them not to give you a block or a transformer with it. So that's for me, I think that's, you know, this one right here cost almost $130. And all you get is 2 USB cords and no box for charging. So that's kind of cheap. The other ones, the headphones would hang on a little pedestal and charge off the pedestal. But this one, not so much. I'm not sure if I'm going to like this one, but we'll find out. All right, so to charge these headphones, I've got to put the USB in here. And you got to look and make sure you're putting it in right. So that the curved side is down towards the outside of the headphone. And it's not a very good fit. I'm not really excited about that. All right, this, I'm going to go ahead and charge in my block that I have over here. So we're just going to go ahead and charge the headphones right here. Of course I can't. Filming with one hand is tough. All right, so this is the length of the, you've got about 3 feet. So when you're charging these, and you need something to charge them on here. So we'll let them charge. All right, you can see that they're charging right here. So we're just gonna let them charge until I think that light goes off or it turns green. All right, it looks like our headphones are charged. The light has gone off, and now we can test them out. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll take these downstairs. And I found that this thing does not come out easy. I mean, I can't even pull it out with one hand. Oh, there we go. That is discouraging. I don't like that either. But let's try these. Gotta get this undone. We're gonna need a block for it because it doesn't come with a block. And if you look, there's your USB there. So we've got to put it on the downside in. So that's in. Now I got to grab a block. Luckily, I have a bunch. Bunch of iPhone blocks. And just put that in there. And now we can take this and hook it up and see if it works. All right, before I do all the stringing of this stuff, I'm just going to set it up here, hook it up. I've got a plug in here. I just got to get it in there. There we go. And so now we got it plugged in.
Power on. Bluetooth transmitter mode with active bypass.
All right, so that's on. It says it just talked to us. And now I've got this old one here. And I've already got the optical cord plugged in. So I'm just going to pull this one off of here. And that's your optical. We're going to hook it on here. So that's what we're going to do next. All right, so we're just going to pull this one in. And you have to make sure that the round part is on the bottom. So I don't think it makes a difference which one you put it in. So I'm just going to put it in this one here. There we go. All right, so now we've got our optical put in, we got our power. So let's just set her down there. All right, so we've got our optical, we got our power, and we got our headphones. So let's step back and see if these things work. So we're going to turn the TV on. And we'll just go to satellite. And I'm not sure what this is, but we'll just go ahead and do that. And now we're going to put these on and see if they work. Cross your fingers. So you got to press this to turn it on. So I'm holding it. All right, it's saying it's connected. So you can hear it, right? Now I can turn it up.
It's Yo Play time!
Or I can turn it down.
Wow, Alex and Julia, so fast, so strong.
So it definitely works, and it's good. All right, these are going to work. So I think we're going to keep them. So you can see it's definitely working. All right, so that is definitely working. And now if we want to turn it down, we go this way. You see the blue light. Now if I press this, it'll turn it off. All right, let's see if we can turn it off. It says press and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Huh. Huh. Well, once you get them on, they don't turn off. I don't know. That's not good. It's supposed to say goodbye. But, goodbye. Oh, there it did. So you got to hold it for a while to get it to turn off. But it did turn off. All right, these I think are going to work pretty good. So we're going to keep them. Avantree. A little bit cheaper, but not bad. All right, to make them a little bit longer, you press these down. Right here. Gives you a little bit more room on your head. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. All right, so we've got everything set up here, looking good. Got our headphones over here, charging. Everything is ready to go.